Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit special for Chatter. Chatter has always had a little bit of yellow headlights. They're not exactly the clearest. You can kind of see it here. It's a little bit yellow. And so I was able to source some NB2 headlights that were in better condition. And before you guys tell me that, you know, I should just kind of polish it or sand it or whatever, I've done every single thing that you can probably think of. So I'll give you guys one last good look at it. They're not horrible, but after you see the new used headlights, you'll see the difference and you'll know what I mean. We have the old headlights off. As you can see, it's kind of yellow. The sheen is a little bit yellow. So we're gonna be swapping it over to the new ones, which are like these. So these are actually a lot clearer. I'm actually gonna clean them. These are not cleaned yet. So now we're gonna go ahead and put these new ones back on the car. Put the bumper back in place, and then we're going to clean the car and then buff them up real good, and then, or as well as I can, and then we will get to see the final product.
My girl in brand new rouse, and I just spent your car note on her back, yeah. Cause every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all that freshest shit you ever seen. I got shit you don't, and that's a fact. I don't really feel that bad, yeah. Every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Cause every week is fashion week for me. Every week is fashion week for me.
So we're gonna stop here and we're gonna resume next week because I'm fucking tired and we're about to go get boba. And next week Chatter's gonna get an oil change, so after that we're gonna go ahead and wash the car, buff out the headlights a bit, and then we'll see the final product then. Hey everybody! Day 2 of Chatter's headlight install. We're going to wash the car right now first, and then we're gonna go ahead and buff out the headlights. So let's get that started.
Oh yeah. Hey. Every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Every week is fashion week for me. I just went to Barney, spent your whole year's salary. I never wore Yeezys, that's a fact. Every week is fashion week for me.
So we just finished washing up Chatter, and now we're gonna go ahead and buff the headlights. So I'm gonna tape them off and then we're gonna whip out the buffer. What the fuck was that? Alright, here's the final result. I think they're just shinier is what it is. These are actually in really good condition when I picked up. I was super surprised. They're both really good condition and much better than my original one. But that one still does have like a teeny bit of like yellow hint on the lens. And this one, as you can tell, is the really good one. This one just straight up looks like brand spanking new. Besides, you know, like close up, you can kind of tell like there's like little nicks and scratches and stuff, which I don't really care, to be honest. I just kind of care about like the lens itself and the color of it. So either way, I think it's a really good upgrade from my original one that came with the car, which were all like completely yellowed out. So it's kind of late right now and we're kind of done here. And so on a nicer day, I'll go ahead and take some final shots of it and show you guys the actual results in good lighting. Other than that, thank you for watching and see y'all next time.